I came across a post in LinkedIn which was made by a head HR of a very prominent company. And the post said, "Don't complain, be grateful. Don't complain, be grateful." Now, on one level, I completely agree with this advice that you should not be a complainer, you should not be a whiner. But on another level, I disagree. Why I disagree? That's the video all about. So please keep watching this video. When somebody posts something on LinkedIn, it is being read by students, it is being read by somebody who is beginning his career. Now, when somebody like this reads this post, they assume that it's not good to complain, complaining is bad, and they don't complain at all. Now, the person who made this post, they know what it actually means. But these young people reading it may make a faulty decision and come to the conclusion that they should never complain at all. Now, that's where the problem lies. So, what happens? Poor quality service, don't complain. Poor quality food, don't complain. Poor quality product, don't complain. Somebody cheats you, don't complain. You are overcharged, don't complain. Sexual harassment, don't complain. If somebody doesn't treat you fairly, don't complain. So, you get into the habit of not complaining. Even when I go with my wife out for dinner and when I am not happy with the quality of the food served, I call for the waiter or the manager to complain. But my wife stops me and says, no, don't complain, don't create a scene. Now, all complaining is not bad, right? Complaints actually can be good. It can lead to better service, better product, better people, and better quality. Even the people who are in customer service, they seek a complaint as a gift. So I think when you are not happy with certain things, you should complain. All complaints are not bad. But whenever you complain, make sure that you do it in a good way. You don't have to insult the person or you don't have to insult the company, but you can very clearly express what you don't like or what you are not happy about and what you would want instead, right? So express yourself in a nice, decent way so that, they can also take it in a good manner. And it should be something good for everybody. So go out there and complain whenever you think it is appropriate. So I hope you found the idea useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, and comment on it. And most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is Rajiv Kumar Love. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video because I love making videos for you. So until then, bye.